Samsung launched the Galaxy A17 last month, and according to past leaks it should be joined by the F17 very soon. The F17 is said to have a 6.7-inch FHD Plus Super AMOLED screen with 90Hz refresh rate and Gorilla Glass Victus on top, an IP54 rating for dust and water resistance, and a 7.5mm thin profile. It will be powered by the Exynos 1330 SoC, paired with 46GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. The F17 will run Android 15 with One UI 7. On the rear will be a 50MP main camera with OIS, a 5MP ultrawide, and a 2MP macro camera. On the front there's a 13MP selfie shooter. The device has a 5000 mAh battery with support for 25W wired charging. With 4GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, it's expected to cost 14,499 Indian rupees. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.